Sony ZV-1 how to factory reset. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can factory reset our Sony ZV-1 camera, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to basically factory reset our Sony ZV-1 camera, there are two things that we have to do. One is to completely format all the data from our SD card, and the other is to reset everything such as the settings and revert it back to the original settings. So to do this, you can just hit the menu option that you can find here, and now first of all we are simply going to go to one of the options over here. So just keep scrolling here and then just go to the setup screen. So first of all, go to the setup first screen here and then simply navigate to the format tab and then hit the format option to format your SD card that is inside of your camera, depending upon whichever SD card that you have. After you have done this, the next thing we have to do is reset all of the settings that we might have customized over here. So you just have to keep scrolling to the right hand side here under this setup 6. So in the setup 4 you have to format the data. In the setup 6 we have to reset the settings by just clicking on it, selecting the initialize option here. All the settings will get resetted and will revert to the original settings. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically factory reset your Sony ZV camera. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.